Good evening, everyone. My name is Lemire. Welcome to Who Wants to Be an Chem Millionaire Disney Edition. Tonight we have some Disney characters who are anxious to take his or her turn in the hot seat and answer some questions related to organic chemistry in order to win $1 million. Let's see if our first contestant can thrive under pressure in order to answer 3 organic chemistry problems and walk away with a check for $1 million. Please welcome our first contestant. Everyone, please welcome Flynn Reather from Tangled.
Thanks for having me tonight. Well, a chance to win money.
But there. Now, Flynn, it says here that you work in an experienced thief for a band of robbers?
We haven't had much going on until I was invited to come out to this show.
Yes, we are so excited for your arrival that we have doubled the security around the studio.
Why, thank you. I'm flattered.
Are you ready to play for your chance to walk away with $1 million tonight?
Yes, I sure am. In fact, I'll be the fastest one to walk away from here.
All right. Let's see if the first question for $100,000. What type of reaction is shown in the picture? Is it A, elimination, B, coupling, C, addition, or D, halogen extraction?
This is quite a question here.
Remember that you can use one of your lifelines at any point in the show.
What are my options for lifelines?
You can phone a friend, ask the audience, or ask an expert.
I think I'd like to phone a friend, please.
Okay, who would you like us to contact?
I'd like to speak to Maximus.
Is Maximus good at organic chemistry?
Maximus is good at everything.
Okay, please connect our contestant Flynn here with his friend Maximus. You must have given us the wrong number. I am not sure why a horse is answering the phone.
That's not the wrong number. That's my friend Maximus.
Okay, then you have 30 seconds to talk to your friend. Your time starts now.
Okay, Maximus, I need you to focus, look at the picture, and tell me what type of reaction this is. A, elimination, B, coupling, C, addition, or D, halogen abstraction. Maximus, focus now. I don't know where the extra carrots are. Look at the picture and tell me what this is.
Alright, your time is up. Do you have an answer?
Alright. I'm leaning towards a couple answers here, and I think that is what Maximus would have said if he focused on the task at hand.
Do you have a reason to think that?
Well, there's an involvement of metal catalysts in the image. Coupling reactions must involve in metal catalysts, so I will go with choice D.
And that is correct.
Yeah, I know. I could have answered this in my sleep.
Sure. Well, Flynn, you have $100,000, and you are now on to the next question for $500,000. What is the term given to the phenomenon in SN2 reactions where the leaving group and nucleophile are attached to the molecule for a very brief time? Is it A, oxidation, B, hyperconjugation, C, transition state, or D, electrophile?
Okay, well I know it's not electrophile because electrophiles are reagents attracted to electrons. I think I'm gonna guess
Transition state, Flynn. That is the correct answer. Transition state is the term given to the phenomenon in SN2 reactions where the leading group and the nucleophile are attached to the molecule for a very brief time.
Yeah, obviously. These questions are too easy.
Alright, we're going to take a short break and then come back to see if Flynn Reather will be the next Disney Chem Millionaire.
We would like to recognize the 2015 Nobel Peace Prize winners in medicine, William C. Campbell, Satoshi Omura, and Yo-Yo Tu, for helping assist the fight against river blindness and lymphatic diseases, filariasis, and malaria. Thank you for these brilliant scientists for protecting us and our children. Sponsored by the Organic Chemists for Safety Association.
Welcome back, everyone. Before the break, Flynn had answered 2 questions correctly, and he is on his last question for $1 million. How do you feel, Flynn?
I'm doing just fine. Actually, I'm getting sleepy with how easy this is.
Alright, we're going to move on to the last question and see if you can walk away with $1 million. The next question is, which one of these solvents is polyprotic? A, acetone, B, DMSO, C, H2O, or D, DMF?
Well, a polar protic solvent is a solvent that really wants to donate a proton or a hydrogen atom that is bonded to an oxygen or nitrogen atom. Because of this, I'm going to have to go with C, H2O as my answer.
Well, Flynn, that is actually the correct answer. Audience, you know what that means. Flynn has just won $1 million. Flynn, here's your check for $1 million. Well, that was strange. Anyways, that's all we have for tonight. See you guys in the next episode.